In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a brand new Xbox account even though you don't have an Xbox console. So firstly, you're going to want to open the Xbox app, and once you're on it, simply tap on sign in. And you'll then be given an option to create a new account if you don't have one. So simply tap on create one. Then next, simply enter the email address that's going to be linked to your account. And after that, you can then go ahead and enter your first name and your last name. Then simply choose your country of region, and after that, you'll also be required to enter your date of birth. And once that's all done, simply tap next. So now, you will then have to verify your email address by simply entering the code that will be sent to it. You can also choose whether you'd like to receive information, tips, and offers. If not, you can simply tap next. You will then be required to prove you're human by simply completing the verification tasks. So simply make the images facing the exact same direction the fingers are pointing. And once that's all done, the verification will then be completed. Next, you can then go ahead and choose your gamer tag. So this will be your public name in the Xbox Online community. So simply type in anything of your choice, or if you want, you can also choose one from the suggested ones below. And once you've chosen one, simply select the type of notifications you'd like to receive, and once you're done, you can then tap save. And if you have any external accounts, you can then choose to link them to your Xbox account. This will allow you to easily find your friends on Xbox. And of course, you can always choose to do this later. And finally, you'll then be given an option of setting up your new console. So if you have one, simply tap set up a console. But if not, you can always set it up later. And finally, once that's all done, your account will then be created. So that's simply how to create a new Xbox account directly on the Xbox app. So thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.